Hello everyone, welcome to this series of mathematics lessons. This is a continuation of the previous lecture. Let us solve example 6. Sanya has a piece of land which is in the shape of a rhombus. She wants her one daughter and one son to work on this land and to produce two different crops. She divided the land into two equal parts. In this rhombus, Sanya divided the land into two equal parts. If the perimeter of the land is 400 meter, and one of the diagonals is 160 meter, how much area each of them will get for their crops? Let us assume this area is given to the daughter and this area is given to the son. The problem statement is how much area does the daughter gets and how much area does the son get to grow the crops. Let us solve this problem. Here the perimeter is given as 400 meter. The total side length is given as 400 meter. Since it is a rhombus, all sides must be equal. So perimeter divided by 4, we will get length of one side, which is equals to 100 meter. So each side should be of 100 meter. In this rhombus ABCD, let us consider this diagonal BD, which is equals to 160 meter. Now let us calculate the area of triangle ABD, the area given to the daughter to grow the crops. We know the length of BD, we know the length of BA, we know the length of AD. So we can apply the Heron's formula to calculate the area of the triangle. For that we will calculate the semi-perimeter of this triangle. 100 meter plus 100 meter plus 160 meter divided by 2. We will get the semi-perimeter, which is equals to 180 meter. Then we will apply the Heron's formula. S into S minus length of AB into S minus length of AD into S minus length of BD. After simplifying this, we will get the area of triangle ABD is equals to 4,800 meter square. Since this diagonal divides this rhombus into two equal triangles, calculating one triangle, the area of one triangle is sufficient. So daughter and son gets 4,800 meter square of area each. So in this area daughter will grow one crop and in this area son will grow the other crop. This area is 4,800 meter square and this area is 4,800 meter square. This is one way of solving the problem. There is one more way of solving the same problem, the alternate method. Here we have the length of one of the diagonal BD, which is equals to 160 meter. So we will draw a bisector on this line BD. We will draw a bisector CE on BD. We know the length of BD is 160 meter. When we bisect this line, we will get the length of DE is equals to 80 meter and the length of EB is equals to 80 meter. Here we know the length of DE, which is equals to 80 meter. We know the length of DC, which is equals to 100 meter. But we don't know the length of CE. We need to calculate the length of CE. So we will apply the Pythagoras theorem to calculate the length of CE. Why do we need CE? Because this is the perpendicular length of this triangle. If we get the perpendicular length, we can apply the formula for area of triangle. Then we will get the area of triangle of this side. Finding the area of triangle on one side is sufficient in this problem statement. So let us calculate this perpendicular length CE. We know that DE square plus CE square is equals to DC square. Here we are calculating the length of CE. So we will rearrange the terms. CE is equals to under square root of DC square minus DE square. We know the length of DC is equals to 100 meter. Length of DE is equals to 80 meter. After substituting this value and simplifying, we will get the length of CE is equals to 60 meter. So the perpendicular length is 60 meter. The area of triangle is given by the area of triangle BCD is given by half into base into height. Half into base, which is equals to 160 meter, and height, which we calculated, which is equals to 60 meter. So the area is 4800 meter square. The content of this recording is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society, Bangalore under Fair Research Policy. This video is presented by Avari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.